slice of cake. On there, Greek yogurt. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, Italian apple cake. Apples are everywhere. Let's get on and make this. This is an 8-inch tin. Okay, and I've lined it. And it's on a tray because if it leaks on the tray. Away it goes. Right, we need to mix up some ingredients and then peel and chop some apples. It's a straightforward recipe, very easy actually. In here, all-purpose flour. In here, baking powder. Well, a little bit of salt. And we want some cinnamon. A little bit of cinnamon to go in there. About that much. You get your whisk thing and whisk it in. There you go. That's our dry. In here, a couple of eggs. In here, sugar. In here, melted butter. In here, whisk, beat. Okay, that's fluffy up enough. In there, vanilla. In there, sour cream. Stir it in. Start stirring in your flour. Bring it in. And that is our lovely batter. Okay, we want some apples. Straightforward. Peel, slice or dice. Up to you. Use whatever variety of apples you like. It doesn't matter. These are Granny Smiths, and I've got a couple of those breeze apples which are absolutely tasteless but are fantastic for a filler. And use as many apples as you want. You know, if you've got big apples you might only want a couple. If you've got small apples you could go up to 4. It's only a small cake, and if you put too much apples in, obviously it's going to be too moist. So just watch what you're doing. Okay, we're going to start with these 3 and we'll see what we get, yeah? So just core them out any which way you normally do. Now again, you slice or dice as big as you like. Right, bring in your tray. Now what we're going to do is just put a little bit of that batter mix in there. Like that, so we get a cakey bottom. I'm just going to put some of those apples in there. Like this. Don't have to be too special about this. We want it all to come up around, so we're not going to worry about it, yeah? A bit more of that on there, look. You don't have to do it like this. You know, you could just mix it all in the bowl and chuck it in. We're going to do it like this, just to get the apples spaced a little bit. Right, we've got all that mix left in there, look. I'm going to take all those apples in there. And we're just going to bring that in on there, like that. Bring back our tin and in there. Just one of those on there. Okay, I don't know if I said, I can't remember, 180 the oven's on today. We're going to chuck that in the oven for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Stick a skewer in if it comes out clean. Check at 30. Stick a skewer in if it comes out clean, it's fine. Come on. Here we go, you stick a skewer in, and if it comes out clean like that cake comes out. Wow, beautiful. We're just going to leave it in the tin for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put the tin on the rack. We've not really had that long, but we could do with turning that out of there. It is a bit warm actually. There we go, there's our beautiful cake. So let's just take it off our tin like that. And we've got this beautiful, beautiful apple cake. Look at that. So it's still a little bit warm. We'll let it cool completely and then we're going to dust it with icing. And we'll cut a slice. Probably serve it with some yogurt or something like that. Beautiful. So I'm just a little dusting over there with a little bit of icing sugar. Now you know I don't like icing sugar, so it's only going to be a very minimal amount of dusting. Just to posh it up a bit. Look at that. Oh, in there, come on. Slice of cake. On there, Greek yogurt. Oh, come on. Look at that. Look how moist that is. Oh, in here. Oh, yeah. Oh. Come on. Mmm. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah. Come on, honey, with a bit of yogurt. Oh yeah. Unbelievable. Look in here. Oh, look in here. We've got all those apple layers in there. Look, we've got that soft, spongy cake. Oh, it's delicious. Come on, honey. Forget the spoon and fork. That is amazing. Oh yeah. Truly, truly amazing. Fantastic cake. That's our Italian apple cake made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell everybody how easy it is to make Italian apple cake. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you the next video. Oh, yeah.